Tired of the endless search for the perfect student accommodation in London? Say hello to Chapter Old Street, your hassle-free gateway to modern living. Choose from stylish studios, en-suites, non-ensuites, and one-bedroom apartments, each thoughtfully designed for your comfort. Enjoy the spacious layout, a cozy bed, and plenty of room to unwind. And that's not all. Take advantage of the quiet study spaces, challenge your friends in the games area, or relax in the vibrant social areas. Stay active in the on-site gym, and let the on-site laundry take care of your weekend chores. With all utility bills included in the rent, managing your budget just got easier. Location is key, and Chapter Old Street doesn't disappoint. Just a short distance from the University of Liverpool and the University of Arts Curtin Road. Commuting is quick and convenient. On weekends, treat yourself to delicious at Fab Thai street food or enjoy drinks with friends at the Joiner on Worship. Need groceries? Duffer City is nearby, with excellent travel options to help you explore the sea with ease. Upgrade your student life in London today. Visit amberstudent.com to secure your spot at Chapter Old Street now.